'Cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh, oh. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. Oh, oh. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh, oh, yeah. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, and I'm sending gratitude back. 'Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lies, wings you can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie, like wings you can fly, with you by my side. I woke up this morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. You lost perspective. I won't give you direction. You're always restless. Want me to fix your problem. You can't be trusted. 'cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track and never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Oh yeah. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
Okay guys, so this leopard throw is from a friend of mine. She had it customized with my initials on it, and I've had it for quite a few years. The pillow is a black pillow cover from Amazon, and the pillow in the green is from Hobby Lobby. The black one is from Ross a few years ago, and the sectional is from a furniture store in my area. It is so comfortable. I absolutely love this sectional. It is super comfy and inviting for the family, and I just love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the beautiful candle holder and the green candles are from Ross. I think I got them about 2 years ago, and I was just loving mixing the different types of greens in this space because green is my absolute favorite color, and it speaks so much of the fall. The tables are from Amazon, and I love the way that they look, and the rug is from Amazon as well. I will try to link that in my Amazon store, just in case you guys are interested in the rug as well. And then I have my recliner that is from a local store. This is my husband's favorite recliner, so guys, I absolutely love it. It's super comfy, and I just kind of keep it in the space because it's for him, and I gotta keep the hubby happy, okay? And this little white canister, or I don't know what I call this, canister or whatever you want to call it, is from what is it, Bed Bath and Beyond. I don't think they have that anymore, but yeah, I have that. And then I have this just beautiful scene here. Just look at it, guys. I absolutely love it. The curtain, the gray is from Home Goods, and the green panels are from Amazon, and those are linked in my Amazon store. And this is kind of going in the back of the sectional. The wall art or the wall decor iron is from Ross, and you can find that at Ross, Home Goods, anywhere that they sell different decor pieces. And this beautiful ginger jar here is from Wayfair, absolutely gorgeous. And this cabinet here is from Amazon, and they have it on Wayfair as well. The candles are from Hobby Lobby in this beautiful animal print, and the iron candle holders, I think they came from Hobby Lobby. No. I think they were Ross a couple of years ago. And this is like a DIY mirror that I've had forever. And this metal art is from either Burlington or Ross. And this gorgeous canvas art is from Ross. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous in this space. And it's right above my what do you call this, bar cart that I got from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. So a lot of the detailing on it is from either Hobby Lobby, Ross, TJ Maxx, all of those places that you can find some of this decor, and Hobby Lobby for the leopard candle thing in Amazon for the glassware. So absolutely gorgeous, loving it, mixed with the gold detailing for the fall season. And then these wall candle holders are from Ross a couple of seasons ago, maybe like 3-4 years ago. The candle holders, you can find them anywhere that they sell candle holders, so just kind of be on the lookout for those. But I think they were from Ross originally, and I love them. And then this is a faux plant that I absolutely love, and the plant stand came from Ross a couple of seasons ago, and I love everything in this space. So yeah, it's speaking fall. I just mixed some new with some old and kind of made it look what it do. And y'all, this art here is just magnificent, absolutely so gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And this here is a throw that I got from Amazon. It was a birthday gift a couple years ago, and I just threw it across my sectional. It's so plush, so soft, and it's so luxury, and it is definitely worth the price that a friend of mine got it for me, and I love it. So yeah, guys, I absolutely thank you guys for sticking along. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell, so that each time I upload, you guys will be alerted. Thank you guys for my family members for returning, and I will see you on the next video. Later, guys.